Ma prima di iniziare, voglio ricordarti che AgriEuro è l'unico e-commerce che permette una fornitura completa di pezzi di ricambio per tutta la vita del tuo prodotto. In caso di necessità, per riparazioni o assistenza, offriamo un supporto completo grazie a una maxi officina interna o attraverso uno dei 400 centri assistenza partner sparsi in Europa.
The Docma VF150 Automatic petrol winch positions itself as a leading solution for towing and dragging operations in areas such as forestry and recreational activities. Equipped with the two-stroke Solo HP50E-A engine, the device ensures high-level performance while maintaining a reduced acoustic footprint. The choice of this engine represents an optimal balance between energy efficiency and operational capabilities, offering users a compromise-free usage experience. One of the most significant innovations of this winch is the introduction of an automatic rope guidance mechanism. This technology ensures that the cable rewinds onto the drum in an orderly manner, eliminating the risk of entanglements or overlaps that could compromise safety or the effectiveness of the operation. The use of high-quality materials in its assembly not only guarantees extended durability over time but also superior resistance to the stresses typical of intensive use. Designed to deliver a constant and powerful traction force, the Docma VF150 Automatic offers a maximum load capacity of 1,420 kilograms, with a winding speed reaching 20 meters per minute.
Visita il sito AgriEuro e scopri le offerte nel nostro store online. Clicca sul link in descrizione per saperne di più.